Hey there, welcome to today's video where we'll dive into a common problem that often arises during interviews. The problem at hand is understanding when to choose between a companion object and an object keyword in Kotlin. It can be quite confusing, but fret not, we'll break it down for you step by step. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. In Kotlin, both object and companion object are singleton declarations, but there are some key differences between them. A companion object is a specialized form of an object that is nested within a class, and it has a few unique properties like being able to access its members without fully qualifying them. Take, for example, the class foo provided in the solution. In the provided code snippet, you can see the implementation of both object bar and companion object baz within the class foo. Remember, you can access the members of bar and baz by specifying foo, bar or foo, baz respectively, but attempting to access bar value directly from foo or baz value directly from foo would result in a compile error. Furthermore, the solution also demonstrates a scenario where a companion object can be refactored to a top-level object if the class contains only static members. This refactor removes the need for an unnecessary nesting of companion objects within classes, making the code cleaner and more concise. Expanding on the topic, the provided code illustrates a pattern where the enclosing class is made open, and the companion object extends it to provide a default instance of the class. This approach can be useful when you want to define default behavior or values for the class and its instances. In summary, when deciding between using a companion object or an object keyword in Kotlin, consider the specific use case. If you need static members accompanying a class, the companion object is the way to go. On the other hand, if you're looking to implement a global service or standalone singleton, the object keyword might be more suitable. And with that, we've reached the end of our video. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!